The kingdom of darkness split the Bible into two testaments to better insert the other species of mankind into the scriptures. Instead of calling the chosen people by their bloodline name Israelite, the workers of iniquity remove Israelite in the New Testament and replace Israelite with Jew. When the people read the scriptures, they automatically associate Jew with the modern-day Jewish people. The Jewish people living in Israel today and the Israelites of the Bible are not the same people. In some scriptures, the chosen people name interchanged with saint, Christian, and Gentile. The new name Jew was inserted into the scriptures in the 18th century. Prior to the 18th century, you won't find the name Jew in the scriptures. The Most High called Jacob, the progenitor of the Israelite bloodline, Israel. His descendants are known as Israelites.